Hi, I'm Kyle. Today I'm going to make a video to introduce a new function of Deye single-phase hybrid inverter. This function I will call it the GE stop function. With this function, you can set when do you start to charge the battery with generator, and when you want the generator stop charging the battery at a certain SOC. Okay, this one is a single-phase 8 kW hybrid inverter. Let's see the firmware version first. 6029 for the control card, and C384 for the LCD firmware version. Okay. And this one here, you can see GN charge stop %. So in the previous firmware version, there was two ways to use the generator to charge the battery. One is you select GN charge and the GN single, and you didn't enable the time of use. In this situation, the generator will charge the battery SOC until the battery SOC reaches 95%, and then it will stop. Another way is you select GN charge and select GN single. Also, you select time of use, GEN %, and you click here, GN charge here. So in this situation, the generator will charge the battery stop SOC at the certain SOC. If you set here 80%, then it will stop here at 80%. Okay, now this is a new parameters, GN charge stop. Okay. So in this way, it will be more easy. Okay, let's have a test. Now the battery SOC is 29%. We set the GN start. Make sure this one is higher than the battery current SOC. Let's say 30%. And this is the okay. I'm also going to increase this charging current to save the time. Okay, 100 amps. I think now the maximum charging current was limited. Let's see. See, this one is 100 amps. So let's increase one. And we go back here again. Then we can see it here. Okay, and then let's see GN charge stop. 35%. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's without the time of use. Okay, I didn't enable time of use. Let's see what happens. So it will stop at 35%. Okay, I hear the relay ticking. The generator already charged the battery now. The power is increased. Let's see whether it will stop at 35% or not. Okay, this charging current almost reaches 100 amps. This one limited 88, so 82 is near to this one. In case of for the battery protection, the inverter charging battery's current will be later than the BMS charging current. 你可以用那组，我只用了一组。一个一个试吧，先试电池。你先把线接好也可以，先把线电网这一些都给它接上。Okay, battery SOC is 33% now.你可以用那组，你把那组的线拔了不就好了？这个我又没在用。你用这个也行，用你边上那个线也可以啊。就你腿上这个也可以啊，这样。Okay, it's already 35%. I think it will stop soon. Okay, I hear sound of a relay chip. It stopped. Okay, let's try with this one. Now it's 36%. Let's increase this value. Let's see, this one is 40%. Select time of use, GN charge, this time period. Let's see this one. 66, 41. Okay, let's see, this one is 41. Okay. Oh, sorry, made it wrong. I should have set it here. 43. Okay. 44. This one we need to change it to 37. $44, 5%. Okay, let's see, this one is 43. Okay, let's go to the time of use. This one is 44. Let's see 48. Okay. So let's say the generator charges the battery stop. Will stop at 40. 46, 40, 43, or 47, 42, okay. %, 48. Okay, the related C. Let's say that we will stop at 40, 42 or 48. Okay, the battery SOC already 45%. So in this situation, the priority of a time of use is higher than GN charge stop. 48. This one is 42.你是 PB 不是吧？好的，你 PB 开关没有合上，别掰，你掰那个一掰坏了。对，这个是，这个是3号米，你用的是这个，你用的哪个？是。PB 原有用的这个。PB 原用是3号。可以。那把旁边灯关上，这个灯直流灯是不是没亮？Okay, now the battery SOC, the GN charger already stopped. It's 47. It's lower than 48, but it's higher than 42. So which means the priority of time of use is higher than GN stop. Okay, I'm going to see this one. Disable TOU when grid off. Yes, If you select this one, then the time of use priority will be longer than GN charge stop, or let's say it doesn't work for the GN charge. Now battery SOC is 47. Let's see 48, okay? And here let's say stop at 52. Or let's say 55. 55, okay. Let's say TOU 48, 52. This one is 52, okay. This one is 58, okay. Okay, I'm going to tick GN single. In other words, this one also. And then let's say the generator will charge battery, will stop charging battery at 58% or 52%. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, the relay is ticking. $52, $58. Okay, SOC already 55%. So which means when you select disable TOU, then the time of use function is not working. The generator will charge will stop charging the battery according to this parameter, GN charge stop percent. Okay, the battery, the generator relay was tripped. So when you disable this, TOU won't work. It doesn't work anymore. It will stop as this one. If we didn't select the disable TOU, then the generator stop charging battery will according to the time of use. Okay, this is the induction. Thank you.